What's up guys, you're watching Sid Gaming and today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5, how to fix the PS5 randomly shutting off. So here we are settings, and simply you have to go in the settings and scroll down in the system, scroll down in the last power saving option. Here you have set time and the set time into PS5 into the thrust mode. You just tap on the after 4 hours in the second option until you are playing, and here you don't turn it off. Set it on the don't turn it off, not after 10 minutes, 30 minutes or 1 hour. You just set it, don't turn it off. And the screen dim, you just set it on after 15 minutes or 30 minutes. And a video playback timing after 4 hours maybe, so it will be dim your screen. So here you have screen and audio settings or video settings. Here you have the dim screen, so you just set it to don't, or set it to after 6 hours. So, and here is RGB settings, HDR, these are other settings. So simply that's how you can set it and fix this error.